We are back, joined now by Riggs Eckelberry. He's the CEO of Origin Clear, OCLN is their stock symbol. Riggs, I understand you have a presentation for us this week.
You know what? You got to scoop. You got to scoop. Because our videographer, who happens to be my brother, Stephen, went up to Roanoke and shot Dan Early live. Let's take a look.
We are completing the final factory testing and commissioning of the wastewater treatment plant. It's scheduled to ship out for our first customer with Modular Water Systems. This is customer number one. This is a unique customer. It's a regional craft brewer located in New England. This particular system is rated for 1,000 gallons per day, but that capability allows us to also scale from 1,000 gallons per day to 2,500 gallons per day to 5,000 gallons per day to 25,000 gallons per day. So it is a scalable design.
We've been doing business with Dan, working with him on projects for probably 10 years or better. He comes up with a design and we help him in the manufacturing process.
This control panel right now is being tested by our sister company located in Dallas, Texas. Through an internet connection, they're actually accessing the control panel, working collaboratively with me and Plastic Fabricating to test the controls, that everything is operating and functioning correctly. Really cool that we can do this located here in Roanoke, Virginia with our partner in Dallas, Texas. And this same functionality, remote operations, remote monitoring, this is a service that we extend to our customer. We are at Advanced Auto Parts in Roanoke, Virginia. I'm actually sourcing some replacement fuses. These are standardized fuses. There's nothing special about them. I mean, that's one of the premises behind an engineered solution is keep it simple, keep it commoditized, keep it affordable. Once you template the manufacturing model in one region, it then becomes very, very easy to take that standardized process and then to transplant that. You could have a manufacturing facility in the mid-Atlantic. You can build one in mid-Texas. You can build one in the Pacific Northwest. They would all use the same manufacturing models, the same engineering programs. The vision that we have at Modular Water Systems is that we want to deploy an engineering and manufacturing model that utilizes this plastic manufacturing capability. It allows us to create very unique, robust treatment systems in a much smaller, compact form. We can factory assemble these things, package them, put them on a truck, put them on a boat, deliver them to the final site and install them. You can't do that with concrete. With Origin Clear, they have a tremendous capability to reach out to the greater world, to broadcast this message into channels and into markets that we never would have been able to do before. And that, to me, is very, very exciting. I can reach people and reach end users and consultants and customers that I never would have been able to do before. That is really the power of Origin Clear.
Well, that's an impressive project. Your first customer ready to ship.
Yes, and I looked at it, I was like, wait a minute, this thing's so small. What? But the fact is, that's decentralized water treatment. It's small, it's compact, and it's scalable. It can go all the way up to 25,000 gallons per day, whatever, and that's the beauty of these systems.
But it's plug and play.
Plug and play, prefab. What you saw the shots were, that was the work being done in the plastic fab facility, and it gets shipped out, dropped in, plugged in, boop, up and running.
Now you had something to say, but off the air about septic systems being a problem.
Well, this morning I put out a CEO update, and if your listeners are not, subscribed to CEO Update, shame on them, because all the hot stuff comes on. But here's the amazing thing: we have 26 million septic tanks plus in this country. Up to 75% in some states are failing. All that green water in Chesapeake and in Florida and so forth, much of it comes from the nitrogen out of these failing septics, and up to 200,000 illnesses a year are directly attributed to the septics. This is modular water in the home.
Subscribe to the CEO Updates. Go to originclear.com for more information. Riggs Eckelberry, CEO of Origin Clear, OCLN is their stock symbol. Always a pleasure, Riggs.
Thank you.